I love me some John B. John B and Tupac. Make sure. Y'all, I'm walking around here like, oh my gosh, I got one dilemma. Can't find the tape, and it was right here on top of the Zinzer. So much for the gloves, trying to have them bad boys on. That didn't help. Still went through. Look at that. Let me see. I think I just want it white. So, yeah. I'm about to tape off all the around the knob and stuff like that. And then we're gonna paint it. I'm sweating already. So this paint in this bucket is for all the walls, all the trim and everything. I got, oh, forgot the music was on. So I'm listening to John B. This paint can go on the walls, on the trim. So here, it was some touch up around there that I painted, some touch up down there. I'm actually painting the trim because it never was painted. So I'm gonna paint that with the door. So all of this you're gonna see is gonna look nice, fresh, and white once I'm done. So yeah, I'm sweating and it's hard to record and try to move at a certain pace and get angles. It can be done, but I'm trying to get this done. I got things to do and I gotta go, my tire appointment coming up and all that good stuff. So I want to get all the stuff inside done, and I want to at least get a couple coats on this door. Depending on how I put the paint on the roller, it'll go on thick and then it'll just roll out evenly, but it will be definitely on point when it gets all the coats. I feel like now it's not going to be an eyesore in the background because it literally was an eyesore to me. So,
so
all right,
what are some projects that you want to tackle and you haven't because you haven't made a decision or you may have been procrastinating? I am so glad I got this done. I'm the type that when I get in the mode and I'm doing it, I'm doing it. So I got paint happy, and as you'll see later on in this video, you'll see other things that I started to paint as I was waiting for the door to dry. But it made me feel so good because every day I'm seeing my vision in this home come to fruition, and it is something that makes me feel amazing. I'm feeling more and more at home every time I do a different task or tackle a project. If you didn't know and you're new to my channel, I was married for 18 years. I started all over in a new state, in a new town where I knew no friends or family. And I bought a fixer-upper, and I'm transforming this fixer-upper day by day. So this is where I'm at. Look at me. I started painting the walls already. Look, I'm looking for something to paint. All right, guys, continue watching.
I love me some John B. John B and Tupac. Make sure. So much for the gloves, trying to have them bad boys on. That didn't help. Still went through. Look at that. Tell me what y'all think. Hold on. Okay. I didn't know if I want to keep them at an angle or flat. I'm going to show you both ways and tell me what y'all think about which way they should be. Hold on, let me clean my camera. Okay, let's see. It gives more space, but I don't know if I like that. Let's turn them the other way. This is how I had them. Like that. Let's see. What y'all think? What y'all think? Which way is better? I don't know. I might keep my chairs this color. I might. I don't know. I'm thinking. Because it still goes along with the woods and I don't know. I got different types of wood and stuff in here. So thinking about keeping them. What do y'all think? Getting this paint out done got me all in a paint mode. Like literally. It's just painted up under there. I just painted over here. I am going to paint here. Just random stuff that's getting on the wall. And like right back there, I'm going to paint back there. Mind you, these are going to be taken out. I'm not keeping these. And then I'm getting ready to paint here. I don't know what this is. It's like a gray mask. I'm going to paint right there. Just for right now. And that's why I'm glad I got the 5-gallon. Because I can touch up to make stuff look a little bit fresher. I'm going to touch this door up because it definitely needs it. And yeah. So that's what I'm going around doing. And I'm just moving, so I may not take the camera with me. I'm just floating through. So yeah, I should paint this. Let me see. I'm thinking about painting this because it's the same paint. I might. If so, you guys will see it. Put the light in the door dry right now. I ain't gonna take the tape off for a little bit, but I'm about to go and hold on. My phone about to die, so let me let it charge and I'll be right back. I'm sitting here and look under the TV. I see those holes from the freaking moving the TV up. Oh, well, since I already got the stuff out, let's get this compound in them holes and let's paint it after it dries. Oh my Lord. I'm sitting here like, I missed something. Let's get it, y'all. Wait, but I want to touch up some spots I seen under there while I'm waiting. I'm thinking I might paint the bottom of that credenza in the bathroom. Yeah, I think I am. Yeah. Let me touch up these spots. Let me show you. See those? Hold on. Those spots. The rub marks, let's get those. Yeah, let's paint this. Let's paint this bad boy. I'm not gonna record it, but I am about to paint it. The bottom of it. I just don't like the way it look. But I got more paint than I got primer, so maybe I should just use the paint just to give it a new look for right now. Until I decide, I can always paint over it, because it was supposed to be black at the bottom. That's why I had the tape. It was taped down. It's supposed to be black at the bottom, but yeah. We'll see. I did it. I did it. I actually like it. I actually like it. So yep, it's done. It's not finished. I'm gonna have to come in and do another coat, but I actually like this because of what I'm gonna do to the floor. Stuff that was not on the to-do list. Oh. All right, door is done, so gotta get this off before it do some damage. I'll just come in there with a thinner paintbrush and get that. Let's get this off. This is why you're not supposed to wait. I should have took it off a little bit earlier, but it's not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, door is done. I love it, love it, love it. Still gotta kind of paint the trim right there. Still like looking like off-white. But yeah, it's done. And I got little touch-up spaces like right there and up there and down there. But other than that, it looks better than it did. Looks better than it did. Would you agree? Okay, so we have, I took the tape off. It's looking good. I actually just painted those two. I wasn't trying to do all that black stuff. So we're getting ready to get this paint up. There's paint on the floor. So I'm gonna go in and get these little paint spots up. It comes up pretty good without a problem. So I'm gonna get all these up and put the rug back and get this back in order. After I get all this little paint spots up. Yeah, I don't know where this blue come from. I don't know where that came from, but yeah. All right, let's get this back in order. All right, rug back, door finish. Let's go empty this basket. Another thing, painted these. Everything is painted, so it's nice and neat under here. Let me hook this back on here. Oh yeah, now those holes are nice and clean. Holes are nice and clean and painted. Push this back. Take this out of here. Should have painted the top of that. I just might. I don't know. We'll see. I came back and showed you. I already painted this and filled the holes in. So we're going to put this back up here like that. And now I'm getting ready to empty this basket. And put my workout clothes over there. Yeah. And take those. I'm getting ready to take these shirts and put them in the drawer where my workout stuff is. And we're going to put all my workout clothes in here somehow. I think I have enough space. Yeah. So we're going to take these, put them in a drawer, take the workout clothes out of there, put them in here along with the workout clothes that's in there. Y'all, I didn't make my bed today. This is the last thing I'm tackling because I have to relax before it's time to go to this appointment. It's almost 1 o'clock, so let me hurry up and do this. My workout stuff is in here. And we're getting ready to put, oh, Lord, it keep falling. Get all this stuff out and put those down here. So I found the rest of my workout socks, all my workout pants, my workout towels. I love these. I had these for about 4 years now, 4 or 5 years, and they are amazing. These are all like my jackets and like hoodies. Have some more that was in that basket. So the basket is empty. I found some shirts that need to be put away. So I'm gonna put those away, put this stuff in here, and then put it over there. We're gonna put the green one at the bottom. Crush this and put this back. Oh Lord, that was her iPad, Lord. So basically I put stuff back. That, the broom, all of this stuff got to be put back, and then I got to put all this stuff back. So I'll do that and I'll be back. Oh, also, I'm going to try to put, I don't know. I need to move these rugs. I know this small one should be able to fit behind the chair over there for right now, so I can get that. Actually, I want to get this put to the garage, so I'm gonna put this by the back door so Rizzy could take that to the garage when she come home. But this big rug, we gotta move it. It can't stay like that. Okay, rug moved. When I say that white looks so much better, I love it. Glad I got this pump because I went out to go take the car and it was completely flat, but it's pumping up now. It's at 8.5, so I gotta wait till it gets to like I think 35. Then we're going straight to Walmart. This is crazy.